Okay, so let's go ahead and prove the double angle identity for tangent today. Okay, so the claim here is that if you have the tangent of 2 alpha, that this is going to be equal to 2 tangent alpha divided by 1 minus tangent squared alpha. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and prove this statement here. Now, to prove this statement, I am going to use the identities for the sine of 2 alpha and the cosine of 2 alpha. And I do have proofs available for those two on another video. So feel free to access that and peruse that if you so desire. So the tangent of 2 alpha is, of course, by definition, going to be equal to the sine of 2 alpha over the cosine of 2 alpha. Okay. And as we know, the sine of 2 alpha is 2 sine alpha cosine alpha. Okay. And cosine of 2 alpha is going to be cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, let's go ahead and divide everything through here by cosine squared alpha. So I'm going to take and multiply the top by 1 over cosine squared alpha and the bottom by 1 over cosine squared alpha. Okay, and that's going to give us 2 sine alpha cosine alpha all over cosine squared alpha. All of that over cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha divided by cosine squared alpha. Okay, so we're going to have that complex fraction there. Okay, well, this cosine alpha will cancel out with this power, and sine alpha over cosine alpha is just tangent alpha. So up on top, we're going to already have what we want to have, 2 tangent alpha there. Okay. All right, now down here, we're going to have cosine squared alpha over cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha over cosine squared alpha. Okay, so we're going to be using the algebraic property that if you have a plus b and you divide the whole thing by c, that's the same thing as a over c plus b over c. Okay, let's get that in the box there. So, okay, cosine squared alpha over cosine squared alpha is 1, and sine squared alpha over cosine squared alpha is tangent squared alpha. So, having already proven the double angle identities for sine and cosine, you can see that the double angle identity for tangent is quite straightforward. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. We love receiving recommendations for future content. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.